The Business Travel Show Europe is a must-attend event for anyone in corporate travel. Held at ExCeL London, it's a pivotal gathering for industry professionals, suppliers, and decision-makers. In 2024, thousands gathered to network, learn, and explore innovations. The event was vibrant, with bustling networking areas, crowded keynote stages, and tech showcases. It was a fantastic opportunity to connect and learn, serving as a springboard for future collaborations. Key themes included automation, post-pandemic adaptation, and eco-friendly travel. The rise of artificial intelligence in data analysis and travel booking was particularly notable, influencing duty of care strategies and itinerary planning. The 2025 edition promises even more engagement. Scheduled for June 25-26, it will feature hundreds of exhibitors showcasing the latest tools and solutions. Keynotes, panels, and workshops will address pressing industry issues, led by top thought leaders. Whether you're a travel buyer, supplier, or strategist, this event offers unparalleled networking opportunities and insights into the latest industry trends. Don't miss the chance to be part of this dynamic event.